Eastern Wake County, Central Wilson County, Northeastern Johnson County, Central Franklin County, until 2:30 p.m. At 1:36 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Wake Forest, or 12 miles southwest of Lewisburg, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Raleigh, Rocky Mount, Nashville, Lewisburg, Wilson, Wake Forest, Cleveland, Elm City, Dorchester, and Bailey. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 2:30 p.m. for the following counties in North Carolina: Franklin, Johnston, Nash, Wake, and Wilson. This is NOAA Weather Radio. Southeastern Halifax County, Wilson County, until 3:30 p.m. At 2:20 p.m. Thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 7 miles west of Ridge Square to near Bailey, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted Rocky Mount, Harborough, Nashville, Wilson, Scotland Neck, Elm City, Dorchester, Bailey, Red Oak, and Enfield. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. To report severe weather, contact your nearest law enforcement agency. They will send your report to the National Weather Service office in Raleigh. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3:30 p.m. for the following counties: North Carolina, Halifax, Nash, and Wilson. The National Weather Service in Newport has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Greene County, Washington County, Pitt County, Martin County, northwestern Beaufort County, until 3:45 p.m. At 2:59 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Ahoskie to 7 miles northeast of Fremont, moving east at 70 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Greenville, Washington, Winterville, Williamston, Avon, Farmville, Plymouth, River Road, Bethel, Stokes, Snow Hill, Belle Arthur, Pinetown, Robertsonville, House, Shelmerdine, Pactolus, Blackjack, Bruce, and Maury. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please send your reports of hail and slash or wind damage, including trees or large limbs downed, by calling the National Weather Service office in Newport at 1-800-889-6889. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3:45 p.m. for the following counties in North Carolina: Greene, Martin, and Pitt,